Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gadgets Finder channel. In today's video, we'll walk through how to connect your Venu 3 or 3S to a Wi-Fi network. But why do we need to connect the watch to a Wi-Fi network? So if you plan to use any music streaming app like Spotify on your watch or to perform a software update directly from the watch, it needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, first I have to long hold on the bottommost button. This will pop up the settings. Then I go to systems and then go to connectivity. And here there's the Wi-Fi. I'll say my networks and there's no network connected. So I'll say search for networks. Saying it found a network. So this is the one Venu 3 demo. So I'll try to connect here. And now it asks for my password. So this is a pain to type. So what I'll do is go on my phone and complete the rest of the steps.
Alright, I have the Garmin Connect app open. Now I'm going to hit the More button on the bottom. Go to Garmin Devices, Venue 3. Here a lot of the settings will look the same. So I'm going down, going to the system, connectivity, Wi-Fi, my network. I'm going to add a network. I see the Venue 3 demo here as well. So I select it. I enter my password. Once it's done, it asks me to connect. And at this time, you will also see the watch light up and showing connecting there as well. And the connection is successful.
All right, so once I have it connected in my networks in the watch coming back, I'll see the Venue 3 demo saved here. So if I go out of here and now try to do update, so I think the software update is here. Sorry. It'll connect to my Wi-Fi network first and then look for any updates. Actually, it found an update, so it downloaded that update and it probably will install it at some point. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such how-to videos. Thank you.